This morning I'm going to show you how to save your models from the mz-24 to the memory card. In order to save the model, you want to go to the base menu, and once you're at the base menu, you go to Model Select. Now your models are listed here. All you have to do to save the model is touch the model. It becomes highlighted. Then we touch EXP_M, which stands for Export Model. And we get a confirmation. Do you want to save this model? Yes. One model has already been saved. You would repeat this process for each of the models you want to save. So I'll just do one more. Export model. Save to SD card? Yes. That's all there is to saving the models. Now when models are saved to the memory card on an mz-24, they're saved to a directory called models with a subdirectory called mz-24. When you get your new firmware in your mz-24, it will create a new directory under models called mz-24PRO. In order to load your models back into the new firmware, please copy all of the models from mz-24 subdirectory to the mz-24PRO subdirectory, and you will be able to reload all your models. So while we're here, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to load a model. Go to the Model Select on the base menu, pick a location for the model, pick Import Model, and I've got a lot of models here, so I'm going to go to the next, and I'll import it to this location and say Import Model and say yes. And that's how easy it was to import the model back in. Okay? I hope you had a good day. This will help you with your saving your models, and I look forward to helping you in the future.